In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap worksheets in a Tableau dashboard efficiently. Whether you're refining your dashboard for clarity or flexibility, knowing how to switch out components is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to start by launching your Tableau app. This is an essential step as everything you do will stem from the tools available in Tableau. Make sure you're logged in and that your workspace is ready for adjustments. Once you have Tableau open, you'll need to access your worksheet. This is the place where all the visual elements and data combinations live, and it's crucial to be familiar with this space to make seamless modifications. Next, you will need to select and click on the dashboard that you want to edit. Enter the dashboard editing environment by double-clicking on it from the list. If you've got several dashboards in your workbook, ensure you're handling the correct one since swapping worksheets here intends specific changes. When you're inside the dashboard, identify the worksheet you want to swap. It's best to familiarize yourself with both the current sheet and the new sheet, as understanding their layouts will help ensure your swap goes smoothly. Now, head over to the Sheets pane. This pane is where all your worksheets are listed, and you'll be using it to find and select the worksheet you want to swap to. Navigating the Sheets pane can be straightforward if everything is named and organized correctly, so it helps to maintain a tidy workbook. Browse through your sheets and select the one you want to swap to. This step is simple identification and decision-making. Knowing which sheet better fits your current dashboard needs is key. Next, keep an eye out for the Swap Sheet icon. You'll typically find this in the dashboard editor once you've selected the appropriate sheet. A pro tip here: hover over the buttons if you're new to this function, as they often provide tooltip descriptions. Clicking this icon is crucial, as it's the one that will facilitate the swap. By selecting it, you initiate the swap process smoothly, ensuring that you don't lose any data in the transition. And there you have it. The sheet swap is complete without erasing your data. Tableau is designed for flexibility and ease, and by following these steps, you've just made a critical change to your dashboard efficiently. Be sure to look over the swap dashboard to confirm that everything aligns well and that the transition serves the intended purpose effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough helps you navigate your Tableau dashboards with greater confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on optimizing your data presentations.